form a trend in future?
See, in terms of laser, there are several lasers available, and today we have fiber lasers, which is more for different types of material and small sheet thicknesses. Whereas for the larger sheet thickness, still we work with CO2 lasers, and we have something exclusive here, which is the 3D laser cutting machine. That is what we are showcasing the concept here, by which you are able to precisely cut, thereby eliminating the welding fixtures required, and you can make the whole fabrication process a simple one and easier. And for structures, when they are putting up a new airports and there are a lot of pipe structures, to cut the pipes to the exact shape and dimension, and to weld it in a manual process, it takes several days. Whereas with this, we are able to cut down the cycle time by almost 50-60%, and even sometimes almost reduce the cycle time is reduced to 30%. So this is the advantage we have with the 3D laser cutting. And then the 3D laser cutting, our machines also offer other possibilities of doing some small tapping in that, so you could even screw those parts together and join them. So this is the newest technology.
How do you react to the market demands? Like if there is a specific demand from a segment, from a user industry, logical solution?
Yeah, basically we work closely with the customer, and then whenever there is a customer needs, we develop things exclusively for the customer requirements. We keep it in mind, and it's a global requirements we meet, and then we cover different segments, and so that is how.
And auto remains one of the major. You've seen it being displayed here. You're also majorly into the Formula One. So how's that shaping up?
See, basically, all said and done, automotive is the largest sector for machines, whether it's a metal cutting machine or forming machine. Auto sector contributes a lot. Apart from that, we are also into infrastructure, oil, gas, and valves, pumps, valves, and other general engineering areas. So we cater to all sectors very equally.
But which is that sector which is going to get you the jam if the butter is restored?
In India, if you speak only in India, India auto sector is still more prominent and more vibrant. But we see a lot of developments happening in aerospace, a lot of developments happening in oil and gas. They are all in nascent stage, which will grow up to become bigger industries in the years to come. So we see that we are distributing our focus equally on all sectors. See, we are constantly innovating. This 2013, we had introduced nearly about 13 different models in EMO. And most of these technologies are making the machines more intelligent, more sensible to the environment in terms of vibrations, in terms of temperatures, in terms of safety, and guiding the people, to operators, to do the right things on the machine. So we are constantly innovating and constantly adapting newer technologies. Therefore, we hope that we will grow and continue in this direction.
Yeah. Is a coming month from Mazak?
See, we regularly organize open house. We do a lot of training programs in Mazak for customers. Every month we organize a program together with tool suppliers and other accessory suppliers and CAD/CAM suppliers. So we are also planning
any diversifications, any product launches, any strategic announcements that you would be coming up with?
No, not at this moment.
Not at this moment. What kind of growth do you see, or tapering in growth do you see in machine tool sector in the next 8 months?
See, as of now, what I see is the market has still not picked up, and everybody is thinking that things will happen after the elections. Until elections, you don't expect any major change to happen. And then, once the demand starts picking up, people who have already exhausted their existing capacity, then they look for newer investments. But what I see more is that those who have projects, those who are focused on exports, and those who are into already defined long-term projects, they are continue to invest, they continue to grow and continue to work in this direction. So we see the market is not totally down, but it will continue to be in a medium pace or existing pace. Maybe it will start picking up after the